Product differentiation concept by quantum simulations. Differentiated products, perceived by the consumer as more or less close substitutes depending on their degree of differentiation. Two products with the same use, but produced by two different firms, are rarely identical. The demand for a specific product, within a range of differentiated products, will depend on consumer preferences. Consumers generally recognize that there are real differences between differentiated products. Two main types of differentiation models are typically distinguished: horizontal or spatial differentiation. Differentiation corresponds to a physical distance, the distance that separates consumers from each company. Consumers are located at different points and pay transportation costs that depend on the distance they have to travel to purchase a product. However, a more general interpretation can be made: by positioning itself at one point in the city, each company will choose to provide a product that will appeal more to consumers close to it. Linear city. For fixed prices and linear transportation costs, the two firms are located at equilibrium in the center of the city, minimal differentiation. Each company is located there because, in the absence of price competition, it seeks to have the maximum market share. When the assumptions of the linear city are inapplicable, another analytical filter is available: the circular city model proposed by Slope. The idea is that the center of the circle is not accessible. In reality, this may correspond to a city center where regulations prohibit certain economic activities, for example gas stations. Slope's model was developed to address the limitations of Hoteling's model. In the product space, the location of a consumer is represented, for example, by the color he or she prefers. If he does not consume his favorite good, he suffers a loss of utility. The distance between the good and the consumer can, therefore, be a psychological distance.